Greetings everyone and welcome back. Today I got something super interesting to show you, the PICO VGA board. This is a VGA display board that I built using a Raspberry Pi PICO. With this setup we can use a regular TFT monitor as a massive display for pretty much everything we want. To test it out, I ported one of my earlier projects, my Snake game console, and got it running on this VGA monitor. And here's another simple demo. Yup, that's a PICO running Conway's Game of Life on a full-size monitor. Now, you might be wondering, why are we even using a monitor for something like this? A small TFT like an ILI 9341 would just work fine. And honestly, you are absolutely right. But let's be real, are small displays really that fun? This is a 27-inch RGB monitor and the ILI 9341 is just a tiny 3.5-inch screen. I mean, if you're going to build something cool, you might as well go big, right? I built this entire project from scratch, and it all started when I randomly came across a brilliant VGA library. The only catch was it was originally designed for CRT monitors. Luckily, it only needed a few tweaks to work with modern displays. And thanks to my friend Claude, say hi Claude,
Hello there.
I was able to get it running perfectly. I first prototyped everything on a breadboard and using a VGA port salvaged from an old display driver along with some resistance soldered on a perf board. Surprisingly, it worked really well. I even experimented a bit and built this fake terminal interface inspired by a Fallout universe. For version 2, I designed a custom PCB based on the breadboard setup. I refined the circuit, added a DC barrel jack for external power, and since PICO can handle 12 volt directly, I included an LM317 voltage regulator to step it down to 5 volt. Once design was finalized, I sent the Gerber files to next PCB, and I have to say, the quality was super. For the build process, I put together a detailed guide, which you can check out on hackster.io. Now let's talk about demos. First, a simple hello world sketch, displaying 3 lines of text in red, green and blue, along with a CRT style scan line for the retro look. Then there is the Snake game, which currently runs on its own, but it can easily be turned into a full game console with addition of a button board. And finally, this is the best demo of all, Conway's Game of Life running beautifully on this massive display. If you like this project, make sure to hit that like button. I've got plenty more builds like this coming up, so don't forget to subscribe as well. And if you made this far, you're awesome. Thanks for watching.